Welcome back to EmRatThich channel, the best place to learn table tennis. The video has the subtitle. Please turn on captioning for better understanding. Hello, and welcome back to PingSunday. I'm EmRatThich. Alexis Lebrun recently made a great performance at the WTT Champion Tournament 2023. He defeated Troels Morgaard 2 times in a row and has been consistently defeating top 10 players in the world. Alexis Lebrun has changed his equipment and is no longer sponsored by Butterfly. Tibar has signed a contract to sponsor Alexis Lebrun until 2028. He is currently using the Tibar SK Hybrid AC as his blade. With the Tibar Hybrid K3 red max thickness as his forehand rubber and the Tibar Hybrid K3 black max thickness as his backhand rubber.
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.